Hello, welcome to Let's Have a Conversation. My name is Lisa Willis, and I am a licensed life insurance broker. So, today we're going to discuss the pros and cons of getting insurance through your employer. So, let's talk about it. Now, the pro of getting life insurance through your employer is that it's going to be at a very reasonable rate. Okay. Usually, when you have what is called group insurance, then you can get it at a very good rate. So that's a pro. And also, when you're under a group insurance plan, you don't have to go through underwriting. So there won't be any medical questions that you have to answer to. So those are good reasons to go ahead and get the life insurance through your employer. Now, the con to doing it is that usually life insurance through your employer is a term policy. So every year you're renewing this policy once you sign up for the life insurance. Now, normally when you leave a job, you leave the insurance. Now, sometimes they offer you the chance to be able to keep the insurance, but usually it's at a higher rate than it was when you were under the group plan. So be sure to check that out. That's very good information that you may want to know. How much would this be? Or can I even keep this insurance once I leave the job? And if so, how much would it be? How much more would I have to pay? Now, that may depend on your age when you leave the job. So those are things to really consider because a lot of times people have a false sense of security when they get life insurance on their job. Let's say, for instance, if you took out a policy for your children through your job, there's nothing wrong with that, but be aware that once they turn a certain age, they usually drop off. So you get this insurance policy at a very good rate for your, say, 10-year old. Once that 10-year-old turns 26, that's usually that age that they drop off. Now the child is a grown up who is older, and now you try to get life insurance um, on this adult child of yours. It's going to cost more. And sometimes they become uninsurable depending on what type of habits they may have picked up over the years. So these are things you might want to consider. So I would look at employers' insurance as a supplement. I would advise that you get your own insurance outside of your job that's going to take you, throughout your life, but have that employer's insurance as an addition to. But like I said, a lot of people are under a false sense of security when they have life insurance through the job. I have talked to two ladies on the same day. One told me that she was good, she had life insurance through her job, and but she didn't understand or was made aware that that's going to expire at some point. So you may be on that job, and then let's say when you retire at 65, you no longer have that insurance. And then what? And then I talked to a lady on the other end of it who, when she was retired and the job insurance expired, and now she was looking for insurance at her age of 63. And with her health conditions, it was just really going to be expensive. So these are the things you want to consider when getting life insurance through your employer. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a very good deal, but just understand that it's not going to last your whole life. So I hope this has helped someone. And if it has, please share this video. And if there's anything that I can do for you, if you would like to get a quote or look at some insurance plans, feel free to reach out to me. So see you next time. Thank you for listening.